Hey, Thomas Garetz here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Legendary Marketer's affiliate program and the 2 things you need to do to help you get approved fast. And by the end of this video, not only will you know how to get approved for their affiliate program, but you'll also know the best strategy to go about using to promoting their affiliate program. But you're probably like, yeah, that sounds great, but why should I listen to you, right? So unfortunately, well, maybe fortunately, no longer Legendary lets us show income screenshots. And that's why it was kind of making people think that they could make the same amount of money in one day with no work, right? So we're attracting a better crowd because we all know people focusing on money end up making no money. More on that a little later. However, I can show you a screenshot of the leaderboard, okay? So right here, you can see my name's in between 2 people with over 200,000 subscribers on YouTube. But don't worry, I made it here with 200 subscribers on YouTube, 200 people in my Facebook group, and like 500 on my email list. So you definitely don't need a huge audience to succeed with this strategy, okay? If I can do it, so can you. But hey, if you're excited, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into the video. Okay, so first of all, to even be considered to be approved as an affiliate for Legendary, you have to be one of 2 things. You have to be currently investing in yourself by taking some sort of training, or you need to already be an established affiliate marketer. Now, there's 2 additional things you can do to help you get approved. Okay, so the first thing that you can do is you can sign up for the Business Builder Challenge, which is their 15-day challenge to help you get started with your online business and affiliate marketing. And the best way to get started with that is by signing up for it, not just through their website, but through a trustworthy affiliate. And the reason why it's important to sign up with a trustworthy affiliate who's already promoting their affiliate program is it shows that you have like a mentor and some support, you know what I mean? And if you don't know a trustworthy affiliate, you got me right here. So if you want to sign up for it, it's the first link in the description. Now, if you've already started the challenge, just make sure you go through the entire thing before you even think about applying for the affiliate program. And you also want to make sure that you schedule all the calls with your business plan advisor that they give you. That's the free coach you get, because that just shows that you're committed and you're serious about it. You know what I mean? And truly focus on it. Right? Like, follow what they're teaching you and just trust the process. Now, that doesn't really guarantee you that you'll get approved, but it does help a tremendous amount, okay? Now, there is a secret that I'm going to tell you at the end of this video that does guarantee you getting approved, but you're going to have to stay to the end to get that secret, so stay with me. But first, I'm going to show you how to actually go to Legendary's website and sign up to become an affiliate if you're kind of confused about that. So let's get into it. Okay, so once you're in Legendary Marketer, you're going to want to scroll all the way to the bottom, and there's a little thing right here that says affiliate. So you're just going to click there. It's really so simple, and you can see right here there's basic and there's pro. Okay, so this is super important. Honestly, pro is what you want. I know it may sound like a lot of money, I don't know, but $30 a month for the possibility to get 20 to 60% commissions instead of 5 to 30%. And it's more like 40%. Some stuff is higher, some stuff's lower, but the main thing you're going to be getting commissions on is 40% commissions, okay? And I'm talking like $2,500 product. Like, they have products going up to $12,000, okay? So just think about that. Now, you would just click apply now, okay? And then you're just going to have to fill this out, all right? So it's super simple, but again, you're going to want to make sure to finish the Business Builder Challenge before you even think about doing this. Honestly, just show commitment, and trust me, you'll have better chance to get approved that way, I promise. And I hope that made sense. If it is, put a yes down in the comments down below and let me know. And if not, just let me know. I'd be happy to help. Okay, so now I know you're probably wondering, how did I actually make it to the leaderboards with such a small audience? Okay, so mine did involve video. As you can tell, I'm on YouTube right now. That's probably where you're seeing me. But before I go into the strategy, first of all, you can use this for any content, right? So just know, if you're not a video person, you can use this strategy for podcasting or blogging. It's all the same, okay? The key to any strategy with affiliate marketing is to just focus on that one strategy, okay? That's truly the secret to it. Don't try to write a blog one day and do a podcast the next, and then do a video the next, and then be on Pinterest this day, Facebook this day. It doesn't work. Trust me, I tried. I literally tried. So anyways, all I did was focus on providing value and not on making money. Like I said earlier, the reason being, when I was like, oh, I need to make money, I literally made no money. And my mentor would tell me the same thing. Focus on providing value, Thomas. I'm like, but I just want to make my first sale, yada, yada, yada. And you're probably feeling the same way. But trust me, when you have that mindset shift and you focus on helping someone every single day, that's when the money will come. I promise you. Okay? And I know it sounds crazy. I know. But trust me, just don't try and sell people. Don't try and link your affiliate links to random people on Facebook groups or post in Facebook groups talking about this awesome offer. It doesn't work like that. Okay? So I'll end my rant there. But basically what you want to do is pick your main platform. Okay? So for me, it was YouTube because I was doing video. But for you, it could be WordPress if you're doing a blog, or iTunes if you're doing podcasts. I don't know much about iTunes or podcasting, but I think that's where you do it. But anyways, you want to pick a support platform for that one main platform. Okay, so one support, one main. So for me, I picked Facebook with my Facebook group and my Facebook profile. Okay, so for you, again, it could be WordPress and Pinterest. I think those are great. Honestly, if I was more of a writer, that's what I would be doing. 100%. I think it's super powerful. Along with email, of course. You got to make sure that you have email and you're building your list. That's very, very important. Okay, and all I did was upload one high quality video every week to YouTube. Okay, I posted to Facebook and my Facebook group one time each day. And then what I did is every day I would go into other Facebook groups and I would provide value. I would answer questions. I would talk to the group owner. I would just be there. I would be helping, providing value. And eventually you could message the group owner and be like, hey, I just have this video I think your community would like. Could I post it in here? And he'll let you post it, you know, but you have to provide value. Okay, so in a nutshell, you just want to provide massive value and not sell. You want to help someone every single day. You want to create a tribe, and you want to be consistently uploading high quality content. Okay? Consistently. That's very, very important. I'm just going to keep holding my hands up here. But the most important thing is you don't give up. It took me like 4 to 6 months of doing this every single day to make my first dollar online. So just know it's not going to be easy. It's simple. It's very, very simple. You just got to not quit. It's that simple. Anyways, I don't want to make this video super long about the strategy. I'll link up above to a video I did about that. And that's me going more in depth on the strategy I would have used for affiliate marketing had I knew then what I know now, right? And that's just the truth of what I would do differently. Definitely what I would suggest you doing if you're just starting out. But anyways, last but not least, I know you've been waiting for it. The secret that you got to do to get approved for Legendary's affiliate program, no matter what, like automatically guaranteed approval. And just an FYI, I do 100% suggest you doing this, especially if you're brand new. It may sound like difficult or whatnot, but just trust me, if you're serious about your online business, it's very important to invest in yourself, okay? So again, what you want to do is you want to sign up for the Business Builder Challenge, okay? And during that challenge, if you're serious about your business, they have an offer that they may suggest to you. It's called the Business Blueprint, okay? It's their advanced course. It is $2,500. But let's be real here. Is that much money to gain knowledge that will change your life for the better? Is it that much money? It's really not, okay? So you got to think of it with a different mindset. So really, that's the secret to getting approved no matter what. If you're in the advanced training, they will approve you, because that shows that you're serious about investing in yourself and about your online business. But if you haven't got started with the Business Builder Challenge yet, and you want to, and you're interested in Legendary, it's going to be my first link in the description. And if you want to learn more about online business and affiliate marketing, you can watch these videos right here. But just make sure you give this video a like, and make sure to hit my face right here to subscribe to the channel. And that's all I got. I'll see you on the next video.